Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Channel Fantastic Machinery. In the world of forestry and wood processing, machinery performance can make all the difference between efficiency and waste. Among the top-tier equipment designed for such demanding tasks, the Albach Diamond 2000 chipper stands out as an exceptional piece of machinery that redefines standards of performance and reliability. The Albach Diamond 2000 chipper is celebrated for its robust design and innovative technology. This chipper is engineered to handle the rigors of large-scale wood chipping, making it a preferred choice for forestry professionals. Its performance is characterized by several key features that collectively ensure superior output and operational efficiency. One of the standout aspects of the Albach Diamond 2000 is its advanced engineering. The machine is built with a powerful engine that delivers consistent and high-level performance. The engine's power ensures that the chipper can handle even the toughest of wood types with ease, converting them into uniform chips suitable for various applications, including biomass energy production and wood pulp manufacturing. The design of the Diamond 2000 is also noteworthy. It features a robust frame that provides stability and durability, ensuring long-term use without significant wear and tear. The chipper's components are strategically arranged to maximize efficiency and minimize downtime, a critical factor in large-scale forestry operations where time is money. The chipping capacity of the Albach Diamond 2000 is unparalleled. It is capable of processing large volumes of wood quickly and efficiently. This high throughput is a result of its sophisticated chipping mechanism, which includes sharp, durable blades and an optimized feed system that ensures consistent material flow. The chipper can handle whole trees, branches, and other wood debris, making it an incredibly versatile tool for forestry operations. Despite its advanced features, the Albach Diamond 2000 is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The control system is intuitive, allowing operators to manage the machine with minimal training. This ease of operation not only enhances productivity, but also ensures safety, as operators can focus on the task at hand without being bogged down by complex controls. In today's environmentally conscious world, the Albach Diamond 2000 chipper stands out for its eco-friendly features. The machine is designed to minimize emissions and reduce fuel consumption, aligning with global standards for environmental protection. This makes the Diamond 2000 not only a high-performance chipper, but also a responsible choice for sustainable forestry practices. Maintenance is a critical factor in the performance and longevity of forestry equipment. The Albach Diamond 2000 excels in this regard with its easy-to-maintain design. Key components are accessible and designed for quick servicing, reducing downtime and ensuring that the chipper remains operational for extended periods. This reliability translates to significant cost savings and increased productivity over the machine's lifespan. The Albach Diamond 2000 chipper's performance is truly exceptional. Marked by its advanced engineering, high chipping capacity, ease of operation, and environmental considerations, it is a machine built for the demands of modern forestry, providing unparalleled efficiency and reliability. For professionals in the industry, investing in the Diamond 2000 is a decision that promises to enhance productivity and sustainability in wood processing operations. Next, The Biber 80ZK wood chipper features a sophisticated filtration system positioned under the conveyor. This system effectively captures and removes dust and fine particles generated during the chipping process, ensuring a cleaner working environment and reducing wear on machinery. By maintaining optimal airflow and preventing blockages, the filtration system enhances the chipper's efficiency and longevity. Additionally, it minimizes the risk of airborne contaminants, promoting safer conditions for operators. The Biber 80ZK's filtration system is an essential component for maintaining peak performance and safety. The Morbark HT1684 Predator wood chipper in action. Shreds tree stumps like a dream when it comes to heavy-duty wood chipping. The Morbark HT1684 Predator stands in a class of its own. This powerful machine, designed for the most challenging forestry and landscaping tasks, is a game-changer for professionals who need to transform large tree stumps into manageable wood chips efficiently and effortlessly. The Morbark HT1684 Predator boasts a formidable engine that delivers unparalleled power. With its high torque capabilities, this wood chipper can handle tree stumps of varying sizes and densities, reducing them to chips in a fraction of the time required by lesser machines. Its robust construction ensures durability and longevity, even in the most demanding environments. One of the standout features of the HT1684 Predator is its cutting system. Equipped with heavy-duty razor-sharp blades, it slices through wood with precision, minimizing the need for frequent blade changes and maintenance. This efficiency not only saves time but also reduces operational costs, making it a cost-effective solution for large-scale wood chipping projects. The Morbark HT1684 Predator incorporates state-of-the-art technology to enhance its performance and user experience. Its intelligent control system allows operators to adjust settings for optimal chipping efficiency, ensuring consistent results with minimal effort. This smart system also monitors the machine's performance in real time, providing valuable feedback and alerts to prevent potential issues before they become significant problems. Additionally, the HT1684 Predator features an innovative feed system that ensures smooth and continuous material flow. This system reduces the risk of jams and blockages, allowing for uninterrupted operation and maximum productivity. The wide feed opening accommodates large tree stumps and bulky branches, making it a versatile tool for various wood chipping needs. Safety is a top priority with the Morbark HT1684 Predator. The machine is equipped with multiple safety features, including emergency stop buttons, safety shields, and automated shut-off mechanisms that activate in the event of an anomaly. These features protect operators and bystanders from potential hazards, ensuring a safe working environment. Convenience is also at the forefront of the HT1684 Predator's design. The machine is user-friendly with intuitive controls and easy access points for maintenance and servicing. Its compact and mobile design allows for easy transportation to and from job sites, making it a practical choice for both stationary and on-the-go wood chipping operations. In the realm of wood chippers, the Morbark HT1684 Predator stands out as a powerhouse of efficiency, reliability, and safety. Its advanced features and robust performance make it an ideal choice for professionals who demand the best in wood chipping technology. Whether you're dealing with massive tree stumps or dense wood materials, the HT1684 Predator shreds through them like a dream, transforming challenging tasks into simple, manageable operations. For those seeking a top-tier wood chipper that delivers exceptional results, the Morbark HT1684 Predator is undoubtedly a wise investment. Next, the HEM 582 wood chipper is an exceptional machine that stands out in the realm of yard maintenance. Its robust design and powerful engine make quick work of even the toughest branches and debris, turning them into useful mulch in minutes. Whether you're tackling a major landscaping project or just doing regular garden upkeep, the HEM 582 offers efficiency and reliability. One of its standout features is its user-friendly operation. The intuitive controls make it easy for anyone to use, while its safety mechanisms ensure that the job gets done without any risks. The chipper's sturdy build and durable materials mean it can handle continuous use without compromising performance, providing long-lasting service for all your chipping needs. The Peterson 4700B crusher is a powerful and efficient machine designed to convert dry wood branches into fine sawdust, which is highly valuable in forestry for various applications. The process begins with the collection of dry wood branches, which are fed into the crusher's large in-feed opening. This crusher is equipped with a high-capacity feed system that ensures continuous and smooth feeding of materials, reducing downtime and enhancing productivity. As the branches enter the crusher, they encounter a series of robust and strategically positioned cutting mechanisms. These include heavy-duty hammers and teeth that pulverize the wood into smaller, more manageable pieces. The 4700B's cutting system is engineered for maximum efficiency, capable of handling a wide range of wood densities and sizes without clogging or excessive wear. Once the initial cutting phase is complete, the material moves into the grinding chamber. Here, the Peterson 4700B's powerful rotor and high-speed cutting tools further reduce the wood into fine sawdust. This finely ground material is then screened to ensure uniformity in particle size, which is critical for its intended uses in forestry. The screening process also removes any unwanted debris, ensuring that the final product is clean and of high quality. The sawdust produced by the Peterson 4700B crusher is then discharged through a conveyor system, which can be adjusted to direct the output to a collection area or directly into transport containers. This efficient discharge system minimizes handling time and reduces the risk of contamination. Overall, the Peterson 4700B crusher is a highly effective machine for turning dry wood branches into valuable sawdust, making it an indispensable tool in forestry operations. Its advanced design and robust construction ensure reliable performance and high-quality output, supporting sustainable forestry practices.